Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you step by step on how to download the Trust Wallet app in this tutorial. Start by opening the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Trust Wallet app. Then tap on search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon. Then let it begin downloading. After the download is completed, tap on Open. Now you can sign in with the email and password you used to create your account or register for a new account as instructed to be able to use the application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.